guys, welcome to the bay leaf table. So I had a few requests lately if I can make placente with pastry sheets, and the answer is absolutely yes, and I'll show you how. First, I am going to begin by preheating my oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so we will need pastry sheets, a little bit of oil for brushing, about 4 tablespoons or so, a teaspoon of salt, half cup of flour for sprinkling, 3 scoops of sour cream. I have here a pound of fresh crumbling cheese and 5 eggs. I am going to crumble my cheese. Make sure you taste your cheese. If it's not salty enough, add more salt. Mine it's not salty enough, so I'm going to add my salt. Okay, and then crack your 3 eggs. Alright, then mix well. Next, I am going to take my pastry sheets out of the package and start forming the placente. So sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. Take your rolling pin and start rolling. I'm going to take my oil and brush inside before I add my filling. This will make your placente be very, very soft and tasty. And you will start rolling. Make sure you tuck everything inside. After you roll them, make sure the ends are closed so the cheese doesn't go anywhere. Alright, twist a few times, and then this part you are going to fold inside. There we go. And I already have here prepared a baking tray with parchment paper inside, and I'm going to put it right in here in the middle. Next step, I am going to add my sour cream in and crack 2 eggs. You should get a smooth consistency, just like this. Make sure your eggs are well incorporated. I am going to add it on top of my placenta. Before serving, make sure you let it cool off 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. If you did, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to activate the bell button for notifications on my newest videos. And make sure to check out my Instagram page, bayleaftable87. Bye! I have here a little bit of cheese left.